Welcome back to GD Quiz. Are you ready to test your animal knowledge? You'll have just 7 seconds to answer each question, so think fast and trust your instincts. Please like this video and subscribe this channel. Let's see how many you can get right. Let's start with some easy questions. Which animal is the fastest on land? It's the cheetah. Which animal has the strongest bite? The alligator has the strongest bite. Which animal is smarter? Correct. It's the dolphin. Which animal sleeps the most? It's the koala. Which animal is called the king of the jungle? That's the lion. Which animal can change its color? It's the chameleon. Which sea creature has 3 hearts? The answer is the octopus. Which pet would you choose? A baby dinosaur or a baby dragon? Tell us your choice in the comments. Would you choose a lion or a tiger? Like this video if you choose the lion. Subscribe if you choose the tiger. Which animal builds huge dams? It's the beaver. Which animal has the longest neck? It's the giraffe. Which bird can fly backward? That's the hummingbird. Which insect makes honey? It's the bee. Which pet has the best sense of smell? Correct? It's the dog. Which mammal uses echolocation? It's the bat. Which animal has no brain? That's the starfish. Which sea creature has the strongest punch? It's the mantis shrimp. Which tiny animal jumps the highest for its size? The answer is the flea. Which tiny creature can survive extreme conditions? It's the tardigrade. Which animal has thousands of tiny teeth? That's the snail. Which animal is famous for playing dead? It's the possum. Which bird symbolizes peace? That's the dove. Which animal spits when threatened? It's the llama. Which bird has the biggest wingspan? The answer is the albatross. Which animal can regrow its limbs? It's the starfish. Which fish can change its gender? That's the clownfish. Which animal can survive being frozen? It's the frog. Which animal sleeps standing up? It's the horse. Which insect colony follows a queen? The answer is the ant. Which animal is strongest for its size? It's the ant. Which sea mammal sings beautiful songs? That's the whale. Which bird can mimic human speech? Correct? It's the parrot. Which animal has the sharpest eyesight? It's the eagle. Which animal smells with its tongue? That's the snake. Which reptile lives the longest? It's the tortoise. Which animal moves the slowest? The answer is the sloth. Which insect can fly backward? It's the dragonfly. Which bird is better at solving puzzles? That's the crow. Which animal can survive the longest without food? It's the crocodile. Which animal survives the coldest weather? The answer is the penguin. Which animal can remember human faces? It's the elephant. Which animal has the biggest eyes? That's the giant squid. Which animal is more poisonous? It's the poison dart frog. Which insect is the loudest? The answer is the cicada. Which animal has the longest tongue? It's the anteater. Which animal has better night vision? That's the owl. Which animal is more social? It's the dolphin. Which bird flies at the highest altitude? The answer is the vulture. Which animal has the biggest heart? It's the blue whale. Which animal is the best builder? That's the beaver. Which animal has thicker skin? It's the hippopotamus. Which big cat runs more silently? The tiger moves almost silently. Which animal jumps higher? It's the puma. Which sea creature is better at hiding? That's the octopus. Which animal can lift the most compared to its body weight? It's the dung beetle. Which spider has more powerful venom? The black widow spider. Which sea animal has the larger brain? It's the dolphin. Which animal is the largest on Earth? The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth. Fantastic job. How many answers did you get right? Share your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to like this video, Subscribe to GD Quiz and turn on notifications for more fun quizzes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next quiz.